Hey everybody, Saint Harden here, also known as the Craft Queen. Now, as you know, in the last video I made, I have showed you how to do the foundation chain, and now in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet stitch. Now, as you are following me in this video, I want you to pay attention to every movement that I'm going to make, as well as verbal instructions. Anyway, let's get started. Now, in the previous tutorial, you know how to do the foundation chain, and this is what your foundation chain should look like. And now, for the single crochet stitch, what you're going to do is grab your chain with your pinky, ring finger, and thumb, and your working yarn between your pointer finger and your middle finger, and then you're going to find the second chain down from your hook, and then you're going to insert the hook through the second chain from your hook, and then yarn over, pull through the chain, and then you'll have 2 loops on your hook. And now what you're going to do is grab the working yarn and put it over your hook, turn the hook upside down, and then pull the working yarn through both loops. And then you have your first single crochet stitch. And what you're going to do is repeat that process through every other chain. So put your hook through the chain loop, yarn over, pull through the chain, pull your yarn through, and then you'll have 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through both loops. Oops. As you reach the end of your foundation chain with your last single crochet, when you want to add more rows of single crochet, you're going to grab your working yarn and then yarn over, and then pull through that loop on your chain, on your hook. And then what you're going to do is turn your work around, and here's something important you need to know when you're working on some more rows on single crochet. The chain 1 you have made does not count as your first single crochet stitch. So don't count it when you're doing the amount of single crochets. And then for the rest of the rows, it's just the same. It's just the same way. Hey, so here's the recap. Hook through the loop, then yarn over, pull through, then you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull the loop, the yarn through both loops, and there's your single crochet. Anyway, that's all for today's tutorial. If you want more details on this stitch, just read the description down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!